Hey beauties, I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And in today's video, I'll do a ASU college student move-in day. So you know the drill, let's get right into it. So really quick, I just wanted to say I was all over the place the day I moved in, so I didn't really talk a lot in the video. So the video starts with all of my stuff and it's getting ready to be packed in the car. So hit the clips. Here we go, a long 2-hour drive ahead of us. So the day was really hectic. The first thing that I did when I got there was registration, then we got this big box and we packed it up in the car, and then we made our way onto my dorm room. So the hallways are each themed with a different cartoon movie or show, and my hallway is obviously SpongeBob. I was so excited to move in. Just the whole process of buying new things for the dorm room and bringing all my stuff in and setting it up just seemed like such a fun process to me, and it really was. I had a lot of fun moving in. So we made it to the room. Oh my god, it's so hot outside. Thankfully we only had to make 2 trips, so we have everything all in the room, and now we can set it up. I'm just gonna do a time lapse because I feel like I'm gonna be all over the place. So yeah, hit the time lapse. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see a full room tour. And that was move-in day. So I am at ASU this year and I'm super excited. I've been living in the dorm for a few weeks now, and I thought it was only mandatory to give you guys a room tour of what the finished room looks like. So starting outside, we have my front door with me and my roommate's name on it, and then it's SpongeBob because the hallway is SpongeBob themed with a whole bunch of memes on it. And then going in the door, we head straight to where my closet is. I have mine on this side and then my roommate's on this side. This is where I keep all of my clothes, obviously. And then headed to the left, we have the door to the bathroom, my roommate's side, and then my side. So I have my desk over here, my bed, my bedside table. I tried to make everything black, white, gray, and baby pink, and also a few marble items as well. So I have this really nice lighting, and then we have all the Christmas lights to make it look cute, and then we have my desk with my marble tapestry that I got off of Amazon. And there used to be a drawer right here, but I took it out and I put it in my closet just so I could fit this with all my makeup in it. And yeah. And that is the complete tour. It is very small, but I really like it here, and my roommates are super sweet. So I'm really enjoying it here at ASU, and stay tuned for more ASU and college themed videos. And with that, it is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment down below with any questions, comments, or concerns, or any other videos you'd like to see. Don't forget to leave a like, and as always, subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye! Anytime, anywhere, baby boy, I can just be here. So first off, we have my door, and we have me and my roommate's name, and we're in the SpongeBob hallway, so they have a whole bunch of SpongeBob memes on the walls. And then we go in.